Okay, here we have a Sonics Materials ultrasonic sealer with the rotary table, sealing table, a 16 station. This was originally set up for sealing the caps on some kind of a pharmaceutical container. Underneath we have the Camco 16 station indexer. We've got the twin operator buttons there for activating the unit. And in the base we've got the power supply for the ultrasonics. Then we've got the controller for the Camco. And to the left of that is the controller for the safety interconnect, which is in the back here, and it's not mounted at this time. So Peter here will demonstrate this unit, how it operates. And first, here's a little brief description of the control panel. So those orange buttons up there are, Peter, for accessing stored programs and changing
whatever
the setup
operation you want to run on.
Okay. So at the top it says ready. The next line down you got a timer, test, manual, auto. You got your pressure gauge for the air. Overall in very good operating condition. Okay, Peter, you can operate the What did you just do there?
Hit the manual button to stop from being in automatic mode.
Okay. Let's take a look at those pieces then that you just did. Okay, so they were two pieces there, right?
Correct. Folded over, and now they're welded as one.
That's plastic strapping.
Banding strap, yeah.
Banding
Correct.
strapping, right. Okay, try and flex it to see if they'll... Wow, okay. All right. Good. Very good.